It's time to pick a winner for the Shemodern giveaway. Who's excited? Hey, welcome and welcome back. Thank you for being here with me. Who's excited to see who wins? Well, come on, this way. Come on, this way. Come on, this way. It's time to pick a winner for the Shemodern giveaway. Of course, this is what you will win, but that's yours and it's not been opened. This is everybody that entered. Here's everybody in the jar. Let's dump them out and take a look. We have Sondra, sparkly sets. Let's fold it up, put it back in the jar. And then there's Maria's nails, 702 LV. We'll fold it up, put her back in the jar. Now, let's see who we have now. Zelda Franklin, 5105. Fold up, put it back in the jar. We have Barbie Girl's nails, 222. Fold it up and put it back in the jar. And we have Melissa Nelson, 1975. Let's fold it up and put it back in the jar. And let's see, who do we have now? Pam, MRSWV Cobra. And please forgive me if I say your name wrong. I'm trying. Who's next? Nails in Resin by E. Let's fold it up and put it back in the jar. Now, who's up next? Wannabe Natural 12012. Put that one back in the jar. And let's see, who do we have now? Pink Tiger 333. Fold it up. Put it back in the jar. Are you ready? Drum roll. Let's pick a winner. So let's shake them up. Thank you, Shemodern, for making this happen. Twirl them around and pick one. Oh, there's one stuck. Two of them. Now I have one. Drum roll. Nails in Resin by E. Erica won. Yay! Congratulations, Erica. Erica's the winner of the Shemodern giveaway. I'll give you 3 days to get a hold of me on Instagram or email. If not, I will pick another winner. And of course, this is what you will be receiving with a little few extra bibs and bobs. Yay! Thank you all so much for entering the giveaway. I appreciate you so much. Love ya! And hopefully, I'll have another Shemodern video coming up soon. Fingers crossed. Oh, and I know I posted that I got to 300 subscribers. Well, I had. But I don't know where they dropped. I don't know why. But anyways, check your notifications and check your subscriptions. Because you never know. You don't. You may lose one or two. But keep an eye on them. But anyways, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. See ya!